Assalamu alaikum, 5 class. Hope you will be fine. Beta, welcome to your English lesson. As you know that today we will do page number 30 and 31 of workbook. You know that we have studied our unit 6, the sun and the moon, and you have read the story of the sun and the moon. Okay, it's not a factful story. So in the workbook today, this page tasks are handwriting tasks. It will improve your handwriting, word reading and spelling. You will write these words and also you will learn their spellings. Okay, copy the words and note the letter joins to ing and ed. Okay, flowing. In the flowing word, the high join from letter w. The high join from letter w. Keep this in mind. Okay, and in the flowed also high join with w. Okay, and there is no join as you see in stopping and carrying. Ing is not joined with y. Ing is not joined with po. Okay, there is no join between this. Also worrying, dropped. You see there is no join between this ed and p, ed and po. Okay, and then after completing this task you will write the sentence. She was carrying the crying babies across the flowing river. You will write, before writing you must sharpen your pencil. Okay, and look at the next third exercise. Write the words in brackets with the ending that end with or, at, and ing sound. Okay, the words are given in the box. Okay, the satellite has dashed the earth for 2 months, has orbited, and this is the tense present. This tense still you have not do, but with has and have we use the third form of verb. Keep it in mind, wherever you see has and have we use the third form of verb. We use ed form of the word. Okay, the groundsman dashed the cricket pitch as soon as the rain started. Covered, before the rain started he has covered. So this is the past, simple past tense, covered. So we will write covered. The groundsman covered the cricket pitch. Okay, we use ed word. The fans dashed in the clubhouse after the match, but they were not dashed inside the building. The fans visited, the word you will take it here, visit, and we add ed here. Visited the clubhouse after the match, but they were not dashed inside the building. They were not permitted. We double this consonant because there is a vowel before this consonant. The children did not eat any pear as they were dashed, the pears were rotten. We add n sound here and the word become rotten. They are not able to eat. We dashed the cinema 10 minutes late, so we missed the dash of the film. We entered. We add here entered. We missed the beginning. Of the film. When the actor dashed talking, when the actor stopped, you will write here stopped. My writing on this work is not neatly because I hold my camera with one hand. That's why I have not balanced place to write. Your writing, you please take care of your writing. We dash that she had dash her lines. When the actors stopped talking, we dash that she had dashed their lines. We inferred, we use this word, inferred that she had dash, she had forgotten. Its third form, had, it's a past perfect. When you saw had, you must use the third form. Forget, forgot, forgotten. We use en here. Okay, after the play we dash our teacher about this. We questioned, you will write questioned our teacher about this. So you have to complete this task and then move on the next page. Page number 31. As you see, using ing, id, est in the word from the boxes. The words are all given here for a paragraph. As you see, hurry up or will be late. I am hurrying, but I am dash this heavy backpack. Mine is dash than yours. In fact, mine is the dash of them all. There are actually a group of people. The one person say hurry up and the second person say I am hurrying, but I am dash this heavy, I am carrying. You will write this word. I am carrying this heavy backpack. Okay, I am carrying this heavy backpack. The first person say mine is heavier than you. So you will write, use IER. Heavier than yours. And in fact mine is heaviest of them all. So we again write heaviest. These heavier and heaviest show the adjectives, degrees of adjective. When we compare between two things, we use sound, form of second degree, and the third one, when we compare one thing with all the other things, then we use the superlative degree est. Okay, look, it's next. There is, look, it's a full moon night. I love the way it is dash. I love the way it is. Which word comes here? Shine, move, or orbit. Shining. It is, as you see with is we use ing form. Shining. Okay, shining is a tricky word. We not double this letter n. Keep it in mind always. Whenever you write shining, don't double this n. This is a tricky word. That in this word, as you see, there is a vowel between consonant, before consonant, but we not double this n. We write it as it is. It's a rule of English. Okay, why is it dash across the sky? Why it is moving? They saw the moon is moving. Why it is it moving across the sky? Because it's dash the earth, because it's orbiting. Okay, then next is your dad is a real dash. Your dad is real. Next, there is a discussion between this is a discussion between two persons. Your dad is a real dash. Your dad is a real warrior. You always worry. That's why I said your dad is a real warrior. B said, the second boy said, or the second person said, yes, you always worrying. He is. Notice that with is helping verb, we use the first form of verb with ing form. He is always worrying about something. Today he is worrying. Again, is, use of is. It's a short form of using apostrophe. They shorten the is form. He is worrying about the cricket score. His team is the, now there is a comparison. His team is the dash in the world. His team is the unluckiest in the world. Okay, because they compare his team with the whole world. So we use es, superlative degree of unlucky, unluckiest. So he say, the first person say, unluckier than your school team. Well, maybe not. He said maybe or maybe not. So in this way you will complete this task and then write the true sentences according to this. For example, they have given you a procedure that how can you make a sentence. A planet is closer to the earth than a star, and a star is larger, you can say a star is larger than the earth. We can also make it like a star is farther from the earth than the moon. It's not a exact question that sentence that you have to make this exact sentence. It may be, we can like I have told you that a star is larger than the earth. You can also make the star like a star is farther from the earth than the moon. Okay, farthest from than the moon, yes. Or you can say that so in this way you can maybe some person make this type of sentence, or some person maybe make this type of a sentence. Okay ji. And the next is the moon. The moon, you can say it is less brighter than the sun. So you will don't match it here, I just match for you. You have to write down these sentences here and make 4 sentences here, and you can make more sentences on your notebook and you can share your work with us. Allah Hafiz.